Hello Las Vegas, welcome back to 32 Degrees, where today we're going to be talking about everything you need to know about AC installations. Whether you're upgrading your system or installing for the first time, we've got you covered. A correctly installed AC is vital for efficiency and longevity. Poor installation can lead to increased energy bills and frequent breakdowns, something no one wants in this Vegas heat. First step, choosing the right system. You'll need to consider the size of your home, your budget, and specific needs like energy efficiency and noise levels. Once you've picked your perfect AC, what comes next? Installation involves several key steps: setting up the outdoor unit, installing the indoor handler, and ensuring electrical connections are secure. This is where a professional installer comes in. They can handle all the complex aspects of the installation, like calculating proper load requirements and making sure your system is up to local codes. After installation, there's still work to do. Make sure to register your AC for warranty purposes, and don't forget about your regular maintenance to keep it running smoothly. In Las Vegas, your AC is one of your most crucial home systems. Choosing a local expert for installation can make all the difference in handling our unique climate. Ready to upgrade your home comfort with a new AC? Contact us today at 32 Degrees to get your new unit installed correctly. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share with others. Stay cool and comfortable, Vegas.